I got zero friends.
Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minute chart, we have opened good gap up and that gap up was sustained. We have seen a bullish pin bar, it has formed in 5 minutes and this was a confirmation after breaking our resistance level. It has made higher highs and has closed with 195 points positive. After seeing such positive candles, I believe most of them have went long and booked a good profit in Nifty. Whereas in Bank Nifty, it also had open gap up and bullish pin bar we have seen, and it also had made a higher highs, and this was our resistance. The whole day it was sustained near our resistance level only, and this was sideways because it has formed a white CPR. This was a white CPR due to which it was double confirmation market has to be sideways, but still it was a positive sideways. Bank Nifty closed with 622 points positive. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning. We'll follow by FII in options input. They were holding 4 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded 1.56 lakhs of contract. So they have 2.45 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 2.55 lakhs of call buying contract. They have unwinded 51,000 contracts. So they have 2 lakhs of call buying contract. Good sign that they have unwinded the put buying contract, so they are equal number of call versus put, so it is neutral, it is a hedging positions in options. Now future index 49% long, 51% short, so we have seen they have increased the long, reduced the short by 4 percentage. Stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and good thing we have seen they have purchased in cash market for 2123 crores. So see, they have hedged the positions in F&O, they are going long in cash market. So still the view of FII is positive. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 4 lakhs contract of put writing contract. They have booked a good profit today. They have unwinded their positions of 3.81 lakhs contract, still holding 48,000 of put writing contract. And in call, they were holding 1 lakh of call buying contract. They have unwinded and today they have made a fresh call writing of 45,000. The quantity size is very much less, but still they have hedged the positions. Future index 49% long, 51% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 84% long, 16% short. They sold for 340 crores in the cash market. Client have no directional views. Promoters input they were holding 6,000 contract of call buying. Today they have huge addition of put writing contract, so they have 2.2 lakhs of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 3.73 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 2.14 lakhs of call writing contract, so still holding 1.58 lakhs of call writing, so they become bullish in options now. Future index 52% long, 48% short, increase the long, reduce the short by 4 percentage. Stock future percentage 58% long, 42% short. They have booked the profit in long side in stock futures today. Cash flow they purchased for 328 crores. So see the view of promoter is bullish. DIA have purchased for 245 crores. So the cash flow was 2,357 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is at 0.95, Bank Nifty is at 0.87, neutral to positive, and Nifty for month end is 1.31 and Bank Nifty is at 1.04, super positive. Now let's check the change in OI. What happened today in Nifty? We have seen a good number of call writing unwinding and huge number of put addition from 18,200 to 18,300. Now a good support will be at 18,200 and major resistance act as 18,300. If this broke, we can easily achieve 18,500. Bank Nifty also we have seen good number of call writing unwinding and good number of put writing addition from 43,000 to 43,300. So good support we have at 43,000 and major resistance at 43,500. Now let's check the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame they are trading slight negative by 100 points. Prior day we have seen a very good bullish engulfing candle and a very good upside rally. So most probably after this candle it has to close positive only. Whereas Nasdaq is slight trading flat by 21 points. Nasdaq is at their major resistance level. If it is broke, we can see a very good upside rally. SGX is trading negative by 35 points. India VIX has gone up 2.7 percentage today. It is at 12.6, very much comfortable levels. So Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a bullish engulfing candle today as well. Not purely bullish engulfing it is, but slight we can consider it bullish engulfing. So it is positive as per the price action, whereas Bank Nifty is also bullish as per the price action. So mark the level. Nifty first resistance is at 18,334 and first support is at 18,147. Bank Nifty first resistance is at 43,542 and first support is at 42,903. So as per the open interest analysis, market is bullish only. So every dip should be a buying opportunity. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.